want to go over a little bit about reading your snakes. A lot of people ask, how do you do this? How do you know what it is that they're actually saying to you? And I will put it as saying to me. Now, Lily ate a couple of nights ago. She's already been up there, curled up, digesting, doing her bits and pieces that she needs to do after she's eaten. I can imagine what's going on in her belly. She doesn't want to be disturbed. She wants to be able to do it. And that is truly instinct for them, to eat, find a place, curl up, keep warm, digest their food before they entertain doing anything else. And out in the wild, do they only go off and start venturing away from where they've actually curled up and digested to go hunting for more food? How much study has actually been done on any one specific species? A lot on rattlesnakes and the venomous, but I don't find very much when it comes to carpet pythons. So I have to explain things to you from a captive bred aspect, and that is completely different to out in the wild. Now, I know that Lily comes out, and not because now she's in search of another meal, because she's digested and all the rest of it. She comes out because in between now and the next feed is time to play and explore and exercise and spend some time with me. That is what I know is going on for Lily when she comes to this door and decides, I'll come out now. I've digested, Mum. It's all good. So I can already see that at some stage, possibly today, Lily is going to be wanting to venture on out and do some exploring. She knows I'm here, and she's just laying there contentedly, going, okay, she's got the camera. Jack has a full belly, so he was fed yesterday, so I know already exactly what Jack is doing. He's digesting, and if you're a snake keeper and have had snakes for a while, you do know to allow them some time to digest that meal before you start getting them out and pulling them around and doing anything with them. Now, Miss Amaya, well, she has certainly been at that door. Now, the first thing, guys, that I would be doing when Amaya does this is, have you made a mess anywhere? Are you, I don't get it on the first, oh, this is what's going on and this is what she's telling me. I do know that there can be a few things going on for Amaya. And one is, if she's made a mess, she's at that door and asking me, not asking, but letting me know something. Does it always mean she wants to come out? No. So, I take a little look around, check things out. No, I cannot see any urate. I cannot see any poop either. So that tells me, no, she's not made a mess and she doesn't want me to clean up. I'm probably a little bit close. I'm trying to get a little bit more video closer up with my snakes, so you just get to see how beautiful they actually are. Now, I do know that Amaya is getting to where she's hungry and thinking about another meal. And I can tell this from Amaya, especially of an evening when she is up here and she hangs herself down and she's just laying there with her head down, looking intently at that ground, that she's waiting for a meal to come along. Of course, she's not due for a feed, so that isn't going to actually happen. But when I see Amaya at her door, whether or not she's made a mess, or she's wanting to come out, or something is going on with her, I still open the door. I still let her know, okay, was there anything specifically that you wanted to tell me today? If it's nothing, it's nothing. But I've acknowledged that she's been at the door. Hey, sweet. How you doing? So, as you can see, she's not hungry. She's not giving me any indication that, okay, say food. I want some food. She's just saying hello and open the door. Acknowledge me, Mum. Which I pretty much always do, because I sit right here and, you know, she sees me all of the time, Amaya. So, as I go along and as I see my snakes doing bits and pieces, I will pick up the camera and I will show you what is going on and what is actually happening and what I am reading from them, to distinguish between excitement that you're in the room, that you're near their enclosure, to I'm starving, I'm hungry, can you feed me? Not that they're ever starving, trust me, but they think they are sometimes. To distinguish the difference so you don't mistake the excitement of actually you being there to, oh, they're just hungry. And I better be cautious when I go in, because this is when I'm likely to get a nip. It's the opposite. If anything, a lot of the time, they just want you to let them climb onto you and come on out. Now, Amaya has never been overly that way inclined and has tended to be a girl that likes to do all those things by herself. And that is something that I've learnt about Amaya, that it's not about me forcing her, which at times I have to, guys. But sometimes she just quite happily comes on out all by herself. I don't have to. But the moment I put my hand on her, the tail grips, the head grips. That's a little bit more about me holding her a little bit more securely as well. Because, you know, once she's out, you know, she's a very active girl, Amaya. She is go, go, go. And I think you've seen a video with her go, go, go. She just wants to be on the move. So, I've said hello to you today. And I'll probably say hello to you again today. And see if you do want to come out. That's just a start, guys. And I hope to show you more, because there's so much more that they do that I haven't even touched on. And I guess that will go into a little bit more of their emotions and what they're feeling. She's like, she's going to touch me? She's going to just hold that camera today and take a nice video of me laying there. Because sometimes, guys, they just like to lay there. So, guys, you take care of yourself and your family and your friends. Hope I can help you to read your snakes, because that's all about taking care of them too, and all your animals. Ciao.